This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. Lovely 3-bedroom/3 BTH/2-car garage patio home sited in the active adult gated community of Chalet Estates. This distinctive open floor plan is designed west/entertaining in mind. An easy open flow from the kitchen into the formal dining area will make family gatherings a breeze. The kitchen is enhanced west/white cabinetry, breakfast bar, closet pantry and a gas range. The spacious great room is enhanced west/vaulted ceilings and sliding glass doors. The generously proportioned master bedroom suite affords enough space for a sitting area, walk-in closet and glass sliding doors leading to the courtyard. The master Bthrm features a linen closet and a walk-in shower. Other amenities include an indoor laundry room west/additional cabinets, washer, and dryer, hurricane shutters, whole house generator system, gutters, and downspouts, exterior carriage lighting, screened-in courtyard, irrigation system, motorized screen garage door and a 2-car garage west/door opener. For more information